Hello foodies! It's Mihaela from blondelish.com and today I'm gonna show you how to make Caesar chicken pasta salad. If you're a fan of the classic Caesar, then this chicken pasta salad will be your absolute favorite. I've got my raw chicken breast here and I'm gonna chop it into bite-sized cubes. Now, in a medium bowl, combine all the dressing ingredients. Transfer a third of it into a small jar and refrigerate it. This will serve as a dressing and it shouldn't touch the raw chicken. Add the chopped chicken to the bowl with the remaining dressing or marinade and stir to coat. Allow it to marinate for around 15 minutes over the counter, or if time allows, up to 1 hour in the fridge. Next, let's cook the pasta. Boil the pasta according to package directions, drain and set aside in a large bowl to cool. Chop the lettuce and the cherry tomatoes. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Drizzle with half a tablespoon of oil and add the marinated chicken. Cook the chicken until golden brown and cook through, around 10 minutes. Allow the chicken to cool for a few minutes, then you can add it to the bowl with the pasta. Add the chopped lettuce, tomatoes, and Parmesan cheese. Drizzle everything with the refrigerated dressing. Toss to combine. And serve. Delicious! The chicken is so tender and it pairs great with the pasta and veggies. That was it for today, foodies. Thank you for watching. To get the full recipe plus super useful tips and tricks, just click the link below or go search it on blondelish.com. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of my amazing community of foodies. Last but not least, let me know how you like this recipe in the comments below. See you next time!